So this time we've got the customer's not so troublesome but quite well worn York 863 using a standard coffin mic, which is a test mic. What was wrong with it? Oh yeah, the transmitter was needed 2 cores in it. Wickedly bad drive joint on the channel selector switch, and the receiver was pretty good. So here we go. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger. Alright, we're on the York 863 now, over.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're just coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now coming through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill and go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. Now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, this radio is York 863, it's doing a full 4 watts. You're loud and clear, over.
Yep, roger, all copy. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby Turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby Turn.
Right, we're now passing the Greylees Turn.
Roger, got you at the Greylees Turn.
Can you say again? I was really scratchy. I don't know if it's some sort of storm or something, but whatever it was, whatever you are.
Roger, I'm reading you fine at the Greylees Turn, over.
Yeah, you're below the 12, then go again.
Yeah, I was reading you loud and clear at the Rossby Turn, over.
I'm getting a lot of interference from somewhere. It's really choppy in the transmission. Anyway, Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. Now going over Rossby level crossing.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. No doubt you'll copy me now, and I'll say 1010.
Yep, roger that. 10.
Roger. Okay, so yes, there was a bit of interference. I think there's some storm brewing, to be honest. Anyway, there we are. York 863 doing a full 4 watts, 0.27 was it sensitivity? Not very good anyway. And so there we are, York 863. So we'll go with the base station and see what it sounds like on the standard replacement microphone, and then I'll switch it to the clear position, which most people don't like.